Hey guys, I'm in H&M. I'm at the mall. I'm trying on this dress that I'm looking for Zenny's christening, which is coming up this weekend. So I gotta find something, and I hope it fits great. Be right back.
Maybe if you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother. I know you're trying. I know you're trying.
So this is the dress, guys. This little H&M dress. I don't know. What do you think? Yay? Nay? Christening? And then like a white blazer over it because it's yellow and white themed. I guess godparents, mother, granddaughter. I don't know. I think I kind of like it with my blazer. Yeah? Help me, you guys. Actually, no, don't help me because I'm gonna buy it. Let me try it without my bra. I gotta wear a bra to church. Shit. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Well, this is option 1. Hey guys. So yeah, I'm leaving the mall now. I got my dress. I got my kernels. And I didn't get any or accessories. I'm gonna go home first and kind of see what I have, and if I need to go out and get anything additional, then I will, but if not, then I won't. So yeah, I'm waiting for the bus now so I can go home. I'm so tired. I had a poutine and like so yeah, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go to Lorraine's tonight because I have to babysit tomorrow morning early. Not her kids, but in the area. So yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys when I get back home. Okay, you guys, so don't judge me. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. I was in the makeup section and I was seeing a lot of things, and I'm like, okay, I really want to try to, you know, do my makeup and whatnot, and like, because I'm really into the brows and stuff. So like for the past couple of weeks or whatever, me and my sister, we always stop at like drugstores just to see like different type of brow pencils, all that type of ish and whatever. So anyways, I today decided that I was gonna go ahead and purchase concealer and like the brow gel and the brow pencils or whatever like that. So when I was in Walmart today, I picked up this Hard Candy Brows Now brow fiber gel plus highlighter. It's a 2-in-1 and it was for a really good price. So I was like, okay, let me try it. So this is the brow gel here, and then there's like a little concealer stick here, so it's a little bit easier for people that are like, I guess, like just trying out. So wait, come on. Woo! Okay, anyways, yeah, that's what it is. So I came home and I'm like, all right, you know what, I'm gonna play around a little bit and I'm gonna see how it goes. So I tried to do my makeup again. This is the first time I am going to such lengths to do it. There is no powder, there is no foundation, there's nothing on my face except for the brow gel, the concealer. I really need a brow pencil still though, because I feel like it's not coloring in how I want it to. But that's what I used. And then, like I mentioned before, actually, did I put up that video? No, I didn't. But a lot of the products that I use, like makeup and mascara wise, are from Avon. So the one that I have on right now is the what is this? Avon Super Extend Winged Out Mascara. It's really pretty good, actually. I love this mascara. Okay, I don't know why this one is not working for me or whatever. And then on my lips, I just have this lip gloss on from LA Colors. Yeah. And what else? And then this liquid liner that I had gotten from like a dollar store or something or whatever. So yeah, anyways, this is my face. Okay, wait. Yeah, so this is my face. How do you guys think I did for the first try? Do my brows look any different? Like, do they look like there was something done to? I don't know. And then I put on, oh shoot, it's coming off. But I put on lashes too. Or try to at least. Yeah, the glue is not sticking on this. Oh, there we go. Oh no. I'm gonna need to readjust that one. But for real though, guys, how do you think I did? Yeah? Yay, nay? How you guys, what do you guys think? So those are my brows. I feel like they're a little bit more defined now. Yeah, you see I gotta work on it a little bit more there. And then I tried to do like a cat. Meow, meow, meow. A little cat time. I don't know. I'm kind of loving it a little bit. You know? I'm like, what? And stuff. Shoot, you go, girl. No, but honestly, you guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about my first time actually trying to do, you know, my makeup. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna practice every day and see what up me. And I'm so excited. I don't think I'm gonna go outside like this though. But I'm excited. I like. Yes. Close that for you. You guys can see that. I don't know what it looks like, but yes, honey. Go Zoe! Go me! Honestly, you guys, thumbs up the video if you guys think I did a great job for the first time. For the first, legit for the first time. Like, all I put on is mascara. Ain't nobody got time to be doing all these things and stuff. And I need a better, do you guys know like any good adhesive, not adhesive, but yeah, adhesive, glues for lashes? This one that I'm using right now came with it, so it's one of those cheap white ones. I want a black one, and so that they stay on a little bit, or they stay on longer and better. And yeah, hey, thank you Miss Aaliyah J for the tip on the 2-minute brows. Yeah, you were my inspiration for those actually. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go now, wash off my face and go get ready. I'm gonna go to Lorraine's house and I'll see you guys when I get there or on my way there. Bye. Mwah. I love it, you guys. You guys don't even understand how excited I am. This like just made my day. I was having the worst day ever and this just made my day. You see? Coming out? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, not cute. See a difference? Eh. Anyways, hi guys. Hey. I got my lash back on. So yeah, I'm going to Lorraine's now. I'm heading out. And I forgot today is that whole, I don't want to say lunar eclipse and then be wrong, but something's happening with the moon today. So hopefully I get there soon because I want to see that. That'll be so dope. I totally forgot about that. And they said that the next time this is supposed to happen is in 2030. That's in 15 years. I'll be 40. That's a good number. Anyways, yeah, so I'm heading there now to Lorraine's. And yeah, just wanted to let you guys know, update you guys on what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm really loving my face. I mean, I'm not at the levels of everybody else, like all these beauty gurus and stuff on YouTube, but I mean, for my first time, I think I did good. And I kind of know why this eyeliner, this liquid eyeliner was like $1 something, because it's already chipping off. Cheapness. So you learn these things. The cheaper you are, the worse the makeup is, right? Right. So I'm gonna have to invest in a better brand, something that will last longer. Maybe one of those pen ones, so I can actually hold it, not the brush. So yeah, see you in a bit. Looks like it's already starting, people. Even though they said it's supposed to start around 8 o'clock, it's only 7:33. But yeah. The rain be hiding from people, so we gotta use like code knocks in order for her to open her door. So funny. But yeah. So walking to her house right now. I miss my babies. I haven't seen them all week. Oh, okay. Let me update you guys. Sorry. So yeah, I haven't vlogged all week because I've been helping Kim. Kim was off for a week, so I helped her with the babies. Plus, I had to pick up her sister from school, so I have to do that for 2 weeks. So now this week she's going back to work, so I gotta watch the twins plus her little sister by myself. Lonnie and Sean are a handful. Like Lonnie when she's ready, you know, but then sometimes she'll lead, Sean will follow, or Sean will follow and she'll lead, or Zari will lead and both of them will follow. So it's a train wreck. I love them though so much. So yeah. You guys can see me? Do I look dork? Oh, there's no skunks at the garbage. For the scare the shit out of me. I was about to say, oh, for the first time. And then there would have been one. And then there's always one. I'm not finding people them door, yeah? You said special knock.
Now that's something Amy would do.
You said special knock, so, you know, move, man. Story time. Jordan, she's reading it.
Meet Team Hot Wheels. They are the most fearless drivers in the world. Hot Wheels and Hot Wheels and Hot Wheels.
She's such a bitch.
The team trains at the Hot Wheels test facility. They test the biggest stunts there.
Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels.
What is Team Green's top speed? The green driver whips around the track, but this course has some surprises. Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels.
Oh my god.
Along
She's
the
so
way.
evil. Like, that's not how the story goes.
I'm putting it in between what
That's
I'm
not how the
saying.
story goes.
I'm putting it in between what I'm reading.
That's not how the story goes.
He drives
Guys, my
fast
makeup is on
and
fleek
thinks
though.
faster.
Like, hello? I don't even think I'm taking off my eyelashes. I don't think I'm taking off my
Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels.
I don't think I take off my eyelash because I like it so much. Oh my god.
Look out for
No, I'm
that
lying. It's
truck.
bad.
Look out for that truck.
Oh my god.
The green driver zooms around it.
Yo,
Never loses control.
I don't know if you guys have it in your country, wherever you come from. Jamaica, I know you don't.
Hot Wheels.
But in Canada, we have this popcorn place called Colonel. Oh my god.
Yo, that one, that yard.
Colonel's is big. Colonel's is live. Jalapeno Jack. Colonel's. Yo, Colonel's be the East. Can y'all see that? Oh my god. It's like spicy, cheesy popcorn. Like, it's so good. I ate it all the time. It's so good. Oh my god.
Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels.
No Hot Wheels. No Hot Wheels.
You like that word?
Can you spell no?
Oh yeah, and then they had the bag with the cross, but they were in pink and blue, right?
Oh yeah. Anyways, guys, This might be a short vlog, but actually it might not because I'm still looking for the moon. It hasn't come out yet. At least I don't think.
I can't even find it.
Put on the news. Because I'll go to the bathroom and look.
The bathroom? You don't have no window.
I have a big enough room. But yeah, like I was saying, this might be a short vlog if I don't end up seeing the moon. But if I do, I will definitely try to capture the footage for you guys. But if not, have a great night and thank you for watching today's vlog. Thumbs up the video. I can't remember what you were supposed to thumbs up for. I think my outfit. Oh no, my makeup. Yes, thumbs up if you liked it. I loved it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And it's only gonna get better from here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Hey, good morning, Jordan. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? How are you? Fine. Where are you going?
Thank you.
You're going to daycare?
Yeah.
Yay. Give me a high five. That's Auntie's favorite. Hi, Jalen. Good morning.
Morning.
Where are you going?
School?
You're going to school? And there's that big head Josiah. Good morning, Josiah.
Good morning.
Where are you going?
To the desert.
You're going to the desert. I hope you stay there and get lost. Oh my God. I know. Ain't nobody got time for that. Good morning, guys. Hey, hey. I almost went to the wrong house.
Morning.
I know, right? Josiah, come here. Let me see your mouth. Did you wipe it off like I said?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Hi. This is my favorite. That's Auntie's favorite.
I see. You didn't do anything. I only saw you, not Jordan.
No way.
Yeah, now it's Jordan in it.
Auntie's favorite? Are you Auntie's favorite? Yeah.
I'm going to the desert. I'm going to the desert.
You're going to school. You ain't going to no damn desert. I wish you were going to the... Again, I told you to go and friggin' comb out your head, but you brushed your head.
It's okay.
And that's my auntie's baby.
Barbershop on Friday or Saturday morning. Everybody gotta look clean.
Come on.
Oh, big.
Come on.
Let's go, Jordan.
Why is there papers in your window?
Jalen.
Oh my God, Jordan, look at your shirt.
I'm so cool.
You're so cold? Come.
Is that supposed to be funny?
Come.
Wait, is that supposed to be funny?
Come.
Is that supposed to be funny?
Come, we're going to daycare. Come.
Yeah, you go to daycare. I get to
Come
go
on,
to
Jordan.
daycare. Now I don't have to do no homework because I want to daycare.
Don't take off your backpack. Come.
Why did I do that?
Come. Come, Papa. You want candy? I have chocolate. You want chocolate? Okay, come. Come. I'll give you chocolate, okay? Okay? Okay. You have to be a good listener, Jordan. When you don't listen, that's bad, okay? God.
You saw the moon?
Yeah.
Where was it?
Oh, there.
Okay. No, you didn't take no picture to show me.
I did. I took a video. When I put it on YouTube, I'll tell you, okay? And then you can watch it.
Mom doesn't have YouTube.
Yeah, she does. She watches my videos all the time.
Let's play on 30 minutes.
You watched the moon?
Yeah.
What color was it?
Moon.
What color?
Moon.
It was red.
Red. How can the moon turn red?
Because it was a blood moon. And it only happens a certain number of years.
Huh?
It only happens a certain number of years.
Right back. Let's go across the street, boys.
Bye. Bye. That's my auntie's baby. Oh my gosh, she's getting so big. Oh my god, I love her so much. Hi, Naya. Hi, Naya. Who's that, Jordan? Who's that?
Yeah.
Naya?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you the chocolate. Let's see. Oh, it's all done.
Your face is all like.
Oh, I have one. You don't want it? Okay.
What's wrong with you?
They're gonna be like, Miss Dawson, you need to come and pick up your son.
No. I'm about to go use my last $10 and see if I can buy something at the at No Bros. And
Oh
we're
my
good to
god.
go.
Jordan, you want this one? No? Here. Okay.
Jordan's not a candy person, but you're eating chocolate. Yum that.
Anyways, people, so yeah. Drop Jordan to a thing. I gotta go home. I got stuff to do this morning. And then I gotta go babysit. And then yeah. So peace in the Middle East.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say.